Releasing dopamine, dopamine. Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up. Head a rest for me shoulder, me and her can love.
Wagwan peeps, so I wake up, but they upon the balcony as Tanto Blacks and I say, brother, the reason why I'm up on the balcony, this is the only place right now we can pick up signal. Yeah, bad signal over here. The Wi-Fi, them have some issues, so I have to go in the lobby and sort out the Wi-Fi issue we have. So, yeah, I still not sleep good last night. Be on and off sleep, peeps. And the sun up health, watch it. Yeah, I'm about to go inside. But try to see if I can get another 2 hours sleep. A bare puss nap. I don't know, there's something about me and those hotels. Probably because in my yard, I'm not really settling in the bed too good. You know what I mean? If you get me. Yeah, so. Yeah, we're there. Happy Saturday, man. Yeah. No, that's only a pill. No, I'm not going inside. Yo, that's only a normal, brother. Hold on. Father God flash like that, you know, man. Yeah, man, na me eye, man. Yeah. So me there. Son of pelt, brother. Good morning to you beautiful people. How are y'all doing? My bed. Yeah. Oh, God. Last night, I sleep out the whole time. But I promise you, I'm not going to sleep out tonight. You're not going to play. Don't play with me. But anyway, people. Oh. I'm going to sleep a little bit before we got trouble Mackie them. And Sherry and everybody and wake them up. Jump going up in them room. Y'all know me already. Room services. Alright, everybody. So, I'm gonna head outside now and get some scenery shots and thing. I'll be able to put on my little clothes and thing, you know what I mean? See the little blue shots, you know what I mean? So, morning, you know, sun, yo, the sun did a beat as my dad telling me. You know what I mean? See that? Yeah. You know, the sun is normal here. Let me fix this. Yeah. Yeah, this one is normal and things, so yeah, man, I get some scenery shot now. And I think everybody's still out sleep and thing. So I get some scenery shots around the place and I couldn't go on vibe. Might just walk, go down on the beach too. Give everybody a little time for go on sleep and thing. So yeah, and then we'll link up back with them and things. So let's go and try and ready, boy. Ready? Because I'm ready. Hey.
I like big boys, itty bitty boys.
Yo, I saw God set it, man to woman, and don't forget it. Yo, it's ho. Let me tell you how me love the girls them now. Me love slim girl, me love fat girl, me love blue, green, eye girl. Me love black eye girls with the thick lips, curves them nice like butterkiss. Me love Indian girls and Chinese chicks, but if black but me still can't work with it. Me love African girl with black like tar, and Jamaican girls, me love them all. I saw God set it. Yo, my youth, don't forget it. Don't lean, don't let no man slide in on you. Don't forget it. I saw God set it. Don't lean.
I like.
Me love junction girls when them say bend there. Me downtown girl pat them head. Me love my girls them need pretty feet, cute cheeks, Nike kicks with the one tip. Lipstick. Me love my girls them tall like China wall. Humpty Dumpty do off our foot broke off. Me love American girls like oh my God.
Like serious Becky, have you heard this song?
Me like London girls, Asians and Asians. Bellevue girl, bipolar and man. T-fin girl, jump fence, scam man. Me like long foot girl with oof like big feet. Me like female teachers, pharmacists, and me back shape girls with hard feelings. Me like me cross-eyed girls, them like mackerel, and me girls them like banana fridge. I so God set it. Yo, my youth, don't forget it. Don't lean, don't let no man slide in your. Don't forget it. I so God set it. Don't lean.
Alright, vlog world, so I'm just see a little piece of the place. You know how it's stay in the morning thing. Now I'm heading out to the sea. Yeah, this is the sea. See. But I go so far. Have a vibe, it go on. Hope today is a more entertaining and energetic day than before. And thing. Yeah. So far so good. My anxiety about me. And thing. Something trigger it. But I push and go through. I ain't gonna focus on that. See, it's the beach. It's the beach. That's dope. Yeah. Peaceful and nice and quiet. Peace. I wish I had a Canon with a big lens I could show you guys the seekers up close and personal. Just saying. Yeah. Camera kind of leanish. I don't know why it going so. I don't know why. It moves so like a bay to us. I don't know. Stabilizer thing are kind of weird. But anyway, peeps. Yeah. Here it is. Go check it out. There I get some shots. And now it won't fix again. But there I get some shots of the place and thing. And yeah. Just go and join with your boy. More clips. Ready? Alright peeps, over there. We miss out a lot of we miss out a lot of footage. It's just a bag of things you got me. Everybody tired. Huh? Yeah, I miss out a bag of stuff. I was tired. Yeah, vloggers, so really tired. Maki sign us there. Benji sign us. Steve sign us. Kevin sign us. Kea sign us. Mishka. Imran sign us. One big family. We're there. Oh yeah, reigning FIFA champion. Yes, the boss them there. Yeah. Oh my God. Stay tuned. Yeah. Have a visitor here, put your hand and say hi. We'll now make them see. Hey, we're not going to know, we're not too fast YouTube. We're not too fast YouTube. We're not too fast. Yeah. But anyway, vlog world. We're there. Easy. I'm kind of sad still, so I have to understand. The weekend done, birthday weekend done. It was epic. But anyway, let's go on journey with your boy.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil, cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the